Welcome to Management Fundas. Subject Strategic Management. Subtopic Stability Strategy. Reason or factor for adopting stability strategy. Approaches of stability strategy. Types of stability strategy. Stability strategy. This type of strategy is used by an organization in case where the organization is satisfied with the current situation and therefore it does not want to move away from such a position. Consequently, in such a case, the organization goes for the stability strategy. However, a stability strategy can prove to be effective when the environment of the organization is also stable. In most of the cases, this type of strategy is used by the organization. The reason is that it is the least risky course of action. For example, the stability strategy will be adopted by an organization if it is satisfied by dealing with the same product or service, providing its service to the same group of consumer and maintaining the same market share. Sometimes the organization is not adventurous enough to try new strategy and change its situations. However, the stability strategy can be adopted successfully by the organization for a mature industry that has a static technology. Reason or factor for adopting stability strategy. 1. Performance level. Manager pursue stability strategy when they feel that the enterprise has been performing well and wish to maintain the same trend in subsequent year. They would prefer to adopt the existing product, market posture and avoid departing from it. Sometimes the management is content with the status quo because the company enjoy a distinct competitive advantage and hence does not perceive an immediate threat. Second, risk factor. Stability strategy is also adopted in a number of organizations because the management is not interested in taking risks by venturing into unknown terrain. In fact, they do not consider any other option as long as pursuit of existing business activity produce the desired result. Conservative manager believe product development, market development or new ways of doing business entail great risk and therefore avoid taking decisions which can endanger the company. Third, environment factor. Firm adopting stability strategy operate in a stable environment. Changes in business environment are less and infrequent. For example, cement industry, paper industry and like the business environment is more or less stable. Sometimes environment forces compel an organization to follow the strategy of status quo. This is particularly true for bigger organizations which have acquired dominant market share. Such organizations are usually not permitted by the government to expand because it may lead to monopolist and restrictive trade practices detrimental to public interest. Fourth, profit. Firms adopting stability strategy may be satisfied with a profit that may be earning with the current product and market. Thus, in this kind of situation, firm may not take additional efforts to expand into different market and into different types of product. Fifth, market share. Firms that adopt stability strategy are satisfied with their current market share. Since product and market remain more or less same, the market share may also remain same. Sixth, management philosophy. Normally, stability strategy are adopted by those firms that have a traditional management philosophy. They adopt a narrow approach toward growth and development and are satisfied with the current product and current market position. 7th point, specialization, expertise. Firms adopting stability strategy may carry on business strategy with the current specialization of its workforce. Frequent training and development program may not required. However, firm adopting growth strategy and enter in new market need to upgrade skill of employees by emphasizing on training and development. 8. Strategic advantage. If the firm's strategic advantage lies in the current business product, it may pursue stability strategy. Resources. Firm adopting stability strategy may not require additional resources for product development or expansions of market. This is because the concentrate in the current market with the current product. Scope for functional improvement. This strategy is adopted by some firm when there is a scope for functional improvement, thereby generating efficiency and economy in the operation through better allocation and utilization of resources. Types of stability strategy or operators of stability strategy. First, pause or process with caution strategy. Some organizations pursue stability strategy for a temporary period of time until a particular environment situation changes, especially if they have been growing too fast in the previous period. Stability strategy enables a company to consolidate its resources after prolonged rapid growth. Sometimes a firm that wishes to test the ground before moving ahead with a full-fledged grand strategy employs stability strategy first. Second, no change strategy. No change strategy is a decision to do nothing new, that is, continue current operation and policy for the foreseeable future. If there is no significant opportunity or threat operating in the environment, or if there are no major new strength and weakness within the organization, or if there are no new competitor or threat of substitutes, the firm may decide not to do anything new. Third, profit strategy. Profit strategy is an attempt to artificially maintain profit by reducing investment and short-term expenditure. Rather than announcing the company poor position to shareholder and other investor at large, top management may be tempted to follow this strategy. Obviously, the profit strategy is useful to get over a temporary difficulty, but if continued for long, it will lead to a serious deterioration in the company position. The profit strategy is thus usually the top management short-term and often self-serving response to the situation. So, these are the three types of stability strategy or approaches of stability strategy. So, that's all in today's session. With a lot of positive vibe, signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Funda's channel. Thank you.